Hello children, welcome to the Avati Modi Public School online classes of computer. Children, I will explain lesson 5 mail merge. After going through this chapter, you will be able to create a data source and main document. Insert the page fields. Preview the merge field and demonstrate the steps involved in the mail merge process. Children, mail merge is a feature of MS Word. It is very important feature. You can use this feature for mailing some messages. Like you can send your birthday invitation for your friends. Then you can use this feature. You can type one letter and send to your many friends. So how can you create your mail merge? I will tell you. First step, main document. The main document contains the content of the letter, envelope or invitation to be sent. This document must be connected to a data source file. Next is data source. It consists of list of recipients containing their names, address, phone number, any other information. It is separate file that contains the recipient's data. Third one is merge field. Children, when a main document is created, the mail merge fields are inserted to those areas the document where the information of the recipient is to be inserted. Children, these are three steps to create mail merge. Number one, creating a main document. Number two, creating a data source. And number three, merging the main document and the data source file. Next is creating mail merge document. Children, you will use these steps and you can create your main document, means letter and envelope. After that, you can create a recipient list. Through these steps, you can also use your existing file and you can use auto uh, created list and Outlook content. And if you have nothing, you can create your own list, a new list. Children, inserting merge fields. Type and format the letter as you want to send. Next is insert the merge field by clicking on the more item in the taskbar. The insert merge field dialog box opens. Select the desired field and click on insert. Children, last step is click on close and repeat the steps if you want to insert more fields. Yes, children, you can also print your merge letter with the help of these steps. Go to the print option and there is a two things, means there are two options. Number one, print, and number two, edit individual items. Children, go to the merge to printer dialog box. It will appear and then you can select all, current record or form and then click on OK. Your letter will be printed. There are some quick tip, like you can click on the finish and merge drop down button in the finish group and choose to edit, print or mail the document. Did you know, student? SendBlaster free edition is free tool for mass messaging. Mass means maximum people. Yes, children, provides a nice reporting and tracking engine. It is also a software. It is a recap of your lesson, means it is a summary of your lesson. First, mail merge feature in MS Word is useful feature for sending letters and creating envelopes for a large group of people. Next, there are three main steps involved in creating a merged document, creating a data source, creating a main document, and merging the data source and the main document. Third one, a data source is document that contains the names, address, phone numbers, and other information of the recipients. The main document contains the text that is common for all recipients. Last one is the data source and the main document are merged to produce the final result. Okay, student, thank you very much.